In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Greenlight card online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As long as you have an approved and currently active Greenlight card, you will be able to use it for online transactions. It is extremely simple, and in this video, I'm gonna go over the process. I'm gonna be using Amazon as an example, but anywhere that debit or credit cards are accepted, you will be able to use your Greenlight card without any issues. Just make sure that, like I said, you either have enough balance and that, of course, the card is properly activated and you can see it on the mobile app in order to manage all of your expenses. So all that you have to do is go over to any website that accepts cards as a payment method. So Amazon is an example. So I'm just gonna add some items to my card here. I'm gonna take away this gift card and I'm gonna add this Switch dock set. I'm gonna proceed to checkout, and this is all you have to do. It is extremely simple. Once you reach checkout, choose the option to pay using a credit or debit card. Like I said, this is going to be a standard payment method for basically any service online, and all that you have to do now is include the card number, the name on card, expiration date, and the security code. By including all of these details, you will be able to finish your purchase. Now, unfortunately, because this contains a lot of personal information, I won't be able to show you the full process, of course. But essentially, all that you have to do is include the card number over here, which usually is going to be a 16-digit number, then the full name that you have printed on your activated and ready-to-use card, the expiration date, and then the security code, which are the 3 digits at the back. Usually it is going to be 3 digits, but some specific cards might have 4. Regardless, just include it here. Afterwards, add your card as a payment method and finish making this purchase. Once you visit the mobile app, or you go into the option to manage your Greenlight card or account, you will find the amount of this purchase there, and you can always manage your card and deactivate it if necessary. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Greenlight card online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.